Hello guys, so I'm under my Golf here and I just dropped the belly pan. And I wanted to show you guys these speed nuts here, they get rusty. And I had a couple break off. So I replaced this one right here already. And I bought a pack. Here's the part number. It's a number 10 wide. So this is what it looks like right here, and you simply just slide it in between the plastic side skirt up here, and you slide it on like this way. Just push it until you line the hole up with the hole in the plastic, and that allows you to use your existing screws here. So you don't have to change the hardware, just change the speed nut, and that'll keep your plastic belly pan intact. So this one here is rusty, and it might eventually fall off. I'll have to get some more speed nuts, but yeah, it's a good idea to have these on hand just in case, you know, you're going to change your oil or something and a few of them decide to fall apart on you. So that's them right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.